Hi, I'm Julieniz Báez with Align Real Estate, and welcome to 2500 Delaney Ave. This updated 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom mid-century home is located on a corner lot in the highly sought-after area of Delaney Park. You're immediately greeted with lush landscaping throughout this property. Now, to the left-hand side, you'll find access to your backyard and patio area, and to the right-hand side, you'll have access to your large split driveway with a 2-car garage. As we step inside, you'll find interior features like dark modern flooring, custom window wood casing and trim, paired with a neutral color wall palette throughout the home for cohesiveness. The large formal living room is right at the front of the house, and it flows effortlessly into the formal dining room. To the left-hand side of the main entrance, you're going to find the sleeping quarters, which are located off of the living room hallway. To my right-hand side, you're going to find the full-size bathroom, which features a clawfoot tub and modern finishes. Both bedrooms seen here feature ceiling fans, ample closet space, and double windows for lots of natural light. As we make our way back to our main living and dining area, to the right-hand side, you're going to find your kitchen, where all the magic happens, of course. Now, this stunning kitchen offers an abundance of natural light streaming over the kitchen counters, making this an ideal space to grow your own herbs. Now, I assure you the closet pantry will provide plenty of food storage, while the built-in kitchen desk will have you poring over your cookbooks to prepare for the next holiday feast. A generously sized bonus room is located off the dining room that would be ideal for a home office space with built-in bookshelves to keep you organized. These doors will lead us into the 2-car garage and the laundry room, which supplies a liberal amount of space to house your washer, dryer, low-profile, hot water heater, utility sink, and overhead cabinets for storage, which can also be easily converted into a second full bathroom. One of the garage spaces is currently being used as a workshop area with built-in cabinetries that can be easily moved out of the way to store a car. This hardscape patio area with a built-in bench for sitting, it's one of my favorite spots of the house. It's perfect for enjoying the cooler Florida evenings with your loved ones, and you can also add a fire pit and a grill to make this the ideal entertainment area. The large backyard is tucked right behind the garage and is a blank slate ready for customization, such as a home garden or even a pool. Now, another perk about living at 2500 Delaney Ave is location. This home is located with easy and close access to I-4. It's 10 minutes to Millennium Mall, 20 minutes to Orlando International Airport, or 10 minutes into downtown if you're looking for great entertainment. So that's gonna be it for today's video. If you want to learn more about this property or others in the Orlando and Tampa Bay area, reach out to me today. My team and I would love to assist you with your real estate goals, whether that be buying, selling, or investing in real estate. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!